Life tips I didn't know until I was 60. Learn these and you could save the cost of a house in 1 year. The first tip: if a broom handle breaks, don't throw it away. Remove the mouth of a plastic bottle and insert it onto a wooden stick. Then secure it with a screw. Cut the damaged part of the broom flat. Fix the bottle cap onto the broom. Screw the handle in, and it's perfectly repaired. The second tip: when replacing a faucet angle valve, the inner thread often breaks off inside. No matter what you do, it won't come out. All you need is 2 thick screws wedged crosswise into the joint. Insert a screwdriver through them. Twist hard, and it will come out quickly. The third tip: if the cabinet hinge screws come loose, don't waste money hiring someone. Just stuff some cotton into the screw hole. Add a few drops of strong glue and let it sit for a while. Then screw it back in, and it will be very secure. The fourth tip: prepare 2 plastic bottle caps. Cut a short section of a washing machine drain hose. Fix the bottle caps onto it. Poke a few holes in the middle with a knife, then secure it behind the door. This way, the door won't hit the wall when opening. The fifth tip: if a shower head is leaking, there's no need to replace it. Just separate the shower head from the hose and remove the gasket. Pry open the copper cap and pull out the inner hose. Find the leaking spot and cut it off. Then put the copper cap back on. Reassemble everything as before. The leak will be fixed. The sixth tip: if the shower panel is leaking, just pry off the decorative cover on the shower head. Then remove the panel with a screwdriver. The gasket inside wears out over time. This causes poor sealing. Wrap some plumber's tape around the gasket a few times, then reinstall it. The leaking problem will be solved. The seventh tip: if the faucet at home keeps dripping, first pry off the top cover. Then remove the faucet handle. Use a wrench to tighten the valve core. Reinstall the handle and put the cover back on. The faucet will stop leaking. The eighth tip: when a gas stove shows yellow flames, they may look strong, but they're inefficient. They waste gas and blacken the bottom of pots. First, turn the flame to low. Adjust the inner air control lever. The flame will slowly turn blue. Then turn the flame up. Adjust the other lever. Now, the high flame will also be blue. The ninth tip: if a gas stove goes out as soon as you release it, it's usually caused by dirt on the sensor needle. Just polish it lightly with sandpaper or steel wool. The stove will ignite easily again. The 10th tip: many people don't know there are 2 oil drain holes under the range hood. Just find 2 milk cartons. Cut and install them under the oil outlets. When they're full, just throw them away. You'll never need to clean the oil box again. The 11th tip: take an old glove and cut off a section. Put the drain pipe into the glove. Secure it tightly with a zip tie. Then flip the glove upward and insert it into the drain. Secure it again with a zip tie. This prevents dirt and bad odors from coming back. The 12th tip: if the indoor AC unit is leaking, it's usually because the outdoor drain pipe is clogged. Insert the drain pipe into a bottle filled with water. Seal it tightly with tape. Then squeeze the bottle quickly. All the dirt inside the pipe will be sucked out. The 13th tip: if a washing machine fills slowly, first turn off the water supply. Unscrew the inlet and remove the filter screen. You'll find it completely clogged with dirt. Just rinse it clean with water. Then reinstall it as before. The water flow will return to normal. The 14th tip: if the toilet flush button doesn't rebound and keeps running, remove the tank lid. Then twist out the drain valve inside. Insert a screwdriver into the hole beside the button. Gently pry it, and the button will pop out. Take out the spring and stretch it slightly. Reinstall everything, and it's fixed.